Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ADP iPay statements, download pay stubs step by step clearly. To log into ADP iPay statements, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for ADP iPay statements and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you are logging in for the first time, you may need to register for access. To register, look for the register link on the login page and click on it. Follow the prompts to complete your registration. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If your user ID and password are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. To access your pay stubs, look for the Pay Statements or Pay Stubs section. Click on that section to view your available pay stubs. Select the pay stub you wish to download. After selecting the pay stub, look for the Download or Print option. Click on the Download option to save the file to your device. If prompted, choose a location on your device to save the pay stub. Open the downloaded pay stub to make sure it has been saved correctly. You have now successfully logged in and downloaded your pay stub from ADP iPay statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.